In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the green screen feature in CapCut. Whether you're replacing a plain background or compositing a creative scene, this workflow is quick and reliable once you know where everything is. Start by opening CapCut Desktop and creating a new project. This gives you a clean timeline to work with. Bring in your background media. This can be a photo, a video, or an animated backdrop, and place it on the timeline first. Think of this as your canvas. If you're deciding between options, choose a background that matches the lighting and perspective of your subject for a more convincing final result. Next, add your green screen footage. Drag the green screen clip into the timeline and position it on the track above the background clip. The order matters. Whatever sits on the top track will be visible in front, and we'll remove the green from that layer so the background shows through underneath. Now apply the chroma key. Click to select the green screen clip, then open the video panel and go to Cutout. Enable chroma key and use the eyedropper to sample the green color from your footage. Pick an area that represents the most typical green in your shot, avoiding bright reflections or dark shadows if possible. Once selected, refine the key using the strength, shadow, and edge softness controls. Increase strength until most of the green disappears without cutting into your subject. Use shadow to bring back depth in areas that look too flat or crushed. Then adjust edge softness to smooth the outline and remove any fringing or halos. Watch the preview as you tweak. Small changes often make a big difference, and it helps to preview at full size to catch fine edges. With the key in place, resize and position your subject. Use the handles in the preview window to scale and move the clip so it fits your scene naturally. Consider where your subject should stand relative to elements in the background. Back on the timeline, adjust timing and alignment by trimming or sliding the green screen layer so actions line up with the background, ensuring there are no awkward gaps or overlaps. When you're happy with the composite, it's time to export. Click Export and choose your format, resolution, and FPS. For general sharing, MP4 is widely compatible. Match your resolution to your background and keep the frame rate consistent with your source for smooth motion. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.